Hello guys, my name is Prajapati Ashish. I am in Division F. My roll number is 678. I am studied in SD Jain Commerce College. Today I am discuss about the topic of insurance and gambling. Introduction. Insurance and gambling were considered alike because there is an uncertainty of event and payment is made when the event occurs, like gambling, and the insured is unaware of the time and amount of loss. If the event occurs, the insured, like the gambler's gains. Otherwise, they are experiences the loss. But there are certain difference between the insurance contract and gambling. The difference between the insurance and gambling. A contract of insurance is illegal and enforceable, but a wagering contract was not illegal or no illegally or enforceability. Every insurance contract due to utmost good faith is observed. No such is observed in the wagering contract. Insurance contract provide protection. A wagering contract does not provide any protection. Insurance interest must exist in every insurance contract. No insurance interest exists in a wagering contract. The principle of insurance applies to all insurance except life insurance. No such principle is applied to wagering contract. An insurance event may or may not happen at all except in life insurance. The event is bound to happen. In insurance and insurance contract, the insured immune from loss provided is adequate. In wagering contract, either party may win or lose. The scope of insurance is limited compared to a wagering contract. Here, the scope is unlimited. Insurance. The object of insurance is to provide protection, while the object of gambling is to win or lose. Insurance give our protection, helps, security, safety, coverage, confidence. Insurance contract is legally, but wagering agreement not legally. It is bound by the law. Today we see very gambling activity like horse race competition, પછી horse race competition, horse race competition, but many gamblers are not aware of these games.